Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will learn about reproduction in animals. All living things grow, give birth to their own kinds, get old and die. The ability to produce more of their own kind is known as reproduction. Reproduction is an important process to ensure the continuity of life. The living thing must produce more of their own kind before they die. Animals reproduce in two ways. Some animals reproduce by giving birth to their young ones. They are called viviparous animals. Cat, dog, lion, tiger, deer, etc. reproduce by giving birth of their young ones, which develop inside the mother's body. After birth, for some time, the baby feeds on mother's milk. These animals called mammals. They also have hair on their body. Most mammals live on land and only a few, like the dolphins and whales, live in water. Human beings are also mammals. Platypus and pangolin are unusual mammals. Platypus lays eggs, while pangolin have scales on their body. The young ones of both these animals feed on their mother milk. The animal which give birth to their young ones through eggs are called oviparous animals. Birds, fish, insects, frogs, snakes, lizards, etc. are animals that lay eggs. The young ones of these animals grow inside the eggs. After a few days, when the young animals has developed, it breaks open the eggshell and comes out. This is known as hatching. All birds lay eggs. Parent bird sits on its eggs to keep the egg warm. This is known as incubation. Eggs which are not kept warm do not develop into baby birds. In the center of the egg is a yellow portion called yolk. It contains the developing baby called embryo. Yolk is rich in fats, vitamins and minerals, which is the food for the growing embryo. Yolk is surrounded by a white substance called albumin. It protects the embryo and provides water to it. These substances are protected all together in a thin protective shell called the eggshell. Some animals do not directly hatch into young ones from the egg. Like frog. Female frog lays many eggs at a time in the water. These large clusters of eggs are called spawn. Only a few eggs hatch into tadpoles. Tadpoles do not have legs and look more like fish and live in water. Tadpoles breathes through its gills. After few weeks, a tadpole starts to grow legs. The tail becomes shorter and finally disappear, and they become frog. The process in which a tadpole becomes an adult frog is called metamorphosis. Butterfly. The butterfly lays eggs in a cluster on the back part of a leaf. The eggs hatch into young ones called larvae. The larva of a butterfly is called caterpillar. Caterpillar eats leaves and grows. It forms shell called cocoon around its body. This stage is called pupa. The adult butterfly finally comes out of the pupa. Fish lay thousands of eggs at one time on the bottom of the water bodies or among water plants. The young ones in the egg grow and hatch into very small baby fish. Crocodile and alligator make nest for their eggs on the ground in shallow pits near the river. After laying the eggs, the mother covers eggs with sand. Only a few of them hatch as they do not get proper heat. When the eggs hatch, the mother picks the baby in her mouth and carries them in the water. If you find this video useful and interesting, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.